is one of Australia's most desirable places to live. Spanning across more than 57 kilometres of pristine coastline and World Heritage listed rainforest. With a population expected to double by 2050, the Gold Coast is one of Australia's fastest growing cities. Recognising the enormous economic opportunity within the region, the largest international development groups have begun construction. Today, the Potter Group is delighted to present an unrepeatable opportunity to develop Central on Broad Beach. Central on Broad Beach is the gateway to the Gold Coast's central business and entertainment district. With the land capacity to accommodate two 63-storey towers. Adjacent to the Broadbeach Light Rail Station, nearby the Star Casino and Gold Coast Convention Centre, this landmark site is perfectly connected. Please contact the Potter Group to express your interest.